This is the first Materials and Methods class. These are second-year students, and they are just being introduced to the opportunities and the limits of concrete. So what they're learning about here is how to think in the negative, how to think and build a form so that they can think and design those things in the future. They're also learning about gravity and the weight of the material and the way that we need to reinforce it so that it doesn't collapse and so that it remains safe.
So much of what we do in design becomes abstract, or you get into the computer and gravity really isn't a factor, but the actual process of design and architecture, materials, how they behave, and how they interact with the world. So this really serves explain the different physical properties of the materials we are so dependent on. Getting to understand the gravity and the process that goes into some of these is just really, really important for all the students.
You're going to realize that reinforcement and continuous reinforcement and overlapping reinforcement is absolutely the key to making really finely designed elements. And hopefully they're going to have a new appreciation for the plasticity and the opportunities of design and concrete.
We've asked them to come up with their own creative formwork just to kind of demonstrate the weight of concrete into objects. Many of them have treated their formworks with different textures, creative styles, all to see how the concrete behaves under different circumstances. So today's the pour. We kind of have a revolving door of students with their formworks. And then next week will be really exciting. We're going to get everyone together and we're going to remove the formwork and see what they've all made.